Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So we are talking about the French Revolution, and in today's video we will be talking about the French society during the late 18th century. Now, see this French Revolution. So today we are going to talk about this part. See this French Revolution, it actually started in 1789. So now the question is that why it actually started, what were the reasons behind it, why people got so agitated that they had to revolt. Okay, so this all happened before 1789. So exactly what happened, what were the reasons? So for French Revolution, there were some reasons which were responsible. Some of them were social reasons, some of them were political reasons, and there were other reasons also. So now in this topic, that is French society during the late 18th century, let's first start talking about the political cause or the political reasons. So let's first talk about the political. Now, see, we are talking about the time period that is before 1789. Okay, so before 1789, that is actually in 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of the king, he ascended the throne of the France. So this Louis XVI of the Bourbon family of kings, he came to the throne in 1774. And at that time he was 20 years old. He was married to the Austrian princess Marie Antoinette. And when he came to when he ascended to the throne of the king of the France, the treasury was empty. Means there was no money in the bank or in the treasury of the king, palace. Now, why so? This happened because of the long years of war. And these war, they drained the whole financial resources of the France. So it was not that France didn't have money, but these long years of war, it actually drained the financial resources. Now, it was not the only thing, but they had to maintain this palace, this extravagant court at the Palace of Versailles. And that's why also they had to pay so much of money in maintaining. And under Louis XVI, France helped the 13 American colonies, right? Why? They helped them to gain their independence from their common enemy Britain. So France and other American colonies, they were having one common enemy, that was Britain, and France helped these American colonies to gain their independence. See the stupidity. Even France was not doing good, but still, just because Britain was there and they wanted to teach a lesson to the Britain, they just helped 13 American colonies, right? And that's why also these things, all these decisions, they actually drained the financial resources of France. Now, this war which France fought actually for American colonies, they added more than $1 billion livres to a date. Now, what is livre? See, here it is given in the word meaning. Unit of currency in France discontinued in 1794. So just like we have money, rupees, they had livre. Okay. So because of this war, there was billion of livre to a date that had already risen to more than 2 billion. So this date rose to 2 billion livre. Just imagine so much of date. And now lenders, they now started charging 10% interest on loans because they couldn't wait for the money to come, right? They knew that now France is not in a good financial position so that it can give our money back. So now they started charging 10% interest on loans. And because of this reason, French government, it was obliged to spend increasing percentage of its budget on interest payments alone. Okay, so France, France was giving so much amount of its budget to only interest payment. Remember, this was only interest payment. This was not the actual loan payment, okay? And to meet all these regular expenses like cost of maintaining army, court, running government offices, okay, universities, and the whole state was forced to increase the taxes. So basically they didn't have any money, but the expense was going on. It was in fact increasing. So France had to they had to force the taxes, increased amount of taxes. So the tax was so much. See, this was not the only problem. In French society, in the 18th century, the whole society was divided into 3 estates. And whatever the taxes the France was taking, only the members of the 3rd estate was paying these taxes. We will now see what do we mean by 3rd estate and all these things. So, let's look at these reasons again. See, हम बात कर रहे हैं political causes की. Actually, जो भी फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ वो 1789 में हुआ. तो उससे पहले कुछ रीजंस थे. उसमें एक रीजन था पॉलिटिकल कॉज. जब लुइस द 16 किंग बन के आया तब वो 20 इयर्स का था, और वो जब आया तब पूरी ट्रेजरी एम्प्टी पड़ी थी. ठीक है, क्यों एम्प्टी थी? क्योंकि बहुत सारे वॉर्स किए थे उसके पहले जो किंग थे उन्होंने, राइट? मतलब उनके ही एंसेस्टर्स, लुइस द 16 के ही एंसेस्टर्स, और उनको भी काफी वॉर करने पड़े. तो इसकी वजह से पूरा फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन फ्रांस का बिगड़ गया. फिर उनको मेंटेन करना पड़ता था पैलेसेस को भी. फिर उन्होंने 13 अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज को हेल्प किया था जस्ट फॉर देयर टू गेन देयर इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम द ब्रिटेन, जो कि उनका कॉमन एनिमी था अमेरिकन कॉलोनीज और फ्रांस का. इसलिए और इस वॉर को करने के लिए उन्होंने काफी सारे दूसरे कंट्रीज से डेट लिया था, मतलब पैसे लिए थे, और वो पैसे उनको अब वापस करने थे. Now these people who gave this lenders who gave this money, they actually started charging the low interest on loans. तो ये जो फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट थी उनको काफी सारा उनका पैसा लोन के इंटरेस्ट में ही जाता था. ठीक है, और उसको एक्सपेंस को मीट करने के लिए उनको काफी सारा टैक्स लेना पड़ता था लोगों से. तो उनको टैक्स की अमाउंट बहुत इंक्रीज करनी पड़ती थी. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता था कि ये जो टैक्स था वो 3rd एस्टेट ही पे कर रही थी. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय 3rd एस्टेट एंड हाउ दिस होल सोसाइटी ऑफ फ्रेंच गॉट डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट एस्टेट.